Join me in the studio for this fantastic watercolour workshop. This painting will give you a taste of the freedom that you get when you finally stop paying attention to all the watercolour purists out there that are constantly telling you that you're doing things wrong, and start paying attention to getting the results you want by any means necessary. On the surface, it appears that this scene contains a lot of detail, but as you'll see when we get started, in any good painting, detail is actually invented by the viewer and not painted by the artist. This workshop will arm you with a fantastic array of techniques that will help you achieve texture in your watercolour paintings. Why? Well, very simply, a painting with no texture is a boring painting. And you don't ever want to be accused of producing boring paintings, do you? The workshop is just under an hour long and takes you from a blank sheet of paper to a completed painting. Get lifetime access to this fantastic video on demand watercolour workshop today for just £25. I'll see you in the studio.